guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First video I uploaded. Question mark. And today we are playing Kitty and I am a robot mouse. Skin, and I want to be Kitty really bad because I want a skin that I really do want to show you guys. It's pretty awesome. Wait, did anybody unlock this yet? Oh wait, of course they did. Are we gonna escape, guys? That kitty has a pickaxe. Must play Minecraft a lot, that's for sure. Did they unlock this yet? This isn't how you get the secret ending. Need this. That's not an, is that an apple or something? I don't know. Did somebody unlock this? Okay, this is a quick escape. Okay. Okay, cider. Okay. Play. I need to get Nintendo Online. My new tablet's coming tomorrow, and I'm really excited because this tablet is a little bit of trash. Okay, I shouldn't say that, but still, it's not too good, but also, please subscribe. I don't have that much subscribers. Wait, no, it's fine. You don't have to. I don't really like it when I do that. It's just forcing. It's just, I don't know why I'm saying this. I feel bad. Nah, I don't care. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Secret ending closet. Never got the secret ending. I have escaped chapter 3 before. Okay. Anybody over here? Somebody just got killed. That's good. I guess not really, actually. We need the last firework. Did anybody unlock this? Is he chasing me? No! I just want to be Kitty. Let me be. I don't need this, I think. Goodbye. This is not hide and seek mode, so it's different. Is anybody trapped? I'm sorry, I can't. Okay, you're trapped. I'm going to try to help you. I mean, I don't know if I can, but I'll try, okay? Okay. What's happening? Nothing? Okay. I wish there was Roblox Studio on this thing. Because since I know this app now, I need to get used to it because it can record my face. Now I had to use a computer, but now I don't. I just have to use my tablet. Wait, okay, I got 6,000 keys. It's cool, I guess. Please let it be me this time. I just want to be Granny. No, don't do bot. Don't do bot. Please, no. Don't do bot. No. No. Ah. Darn it. I want to do bot. Easy. Hard. Hard. Do hard. Do hard. Do hard. It's bot. It's not hard. It's easy. Actually, I think it's normal. Don't know. Don't know, don't care. Okay, why is this happening? Stuck like this. I'm just gonna have to move my beautiful face real quick. That always works. Hello. I'm in my bed. Comfy. Cozy. Just gonna move my face to the corner right here. happening? The guy has like a lava, half evil thing. His name is Lava Destroyer, so that makes sense. I am getting this because this is to feed the mice. And I need to do that. I want to be Granny though. Just let me be Kitty for the next round maybe. Please? Just want it to happen. Is that Kitty? Oh, Kitty's right there. Oh man. Oh no, that was bad. Bad. Oh darn it! I should have paid attention. Well, there's I think only one more person left. What is going on? I want to move my face again to the corner. Okay, well, you know what they say. Don't know what to say. Oh. How much space do I get? I mean, even though I have the best skin, I just want to see that. I want that one guy. Whatever, I'll just play this. Oh, come on. Seriously, I'm only 1,000 away. That's stupid. Why am I going in the room? Huh? Kitty Granny. For this, now Spiker. Now what? It's ridiculous. Okay, let's just play. Darn it, I probably missed. I just want to be Kitty Granny. Missed the boat. Hello? You in here? Yes, you are. Okay, I'll free you. I'll try to. Okay? Don't blame me if I don't. Okay, this goes upstairs. No! This always happens. Sick of it. Give up. Giving up. Sorry, guys. But we are playing a different game. I want to. Wait there. Just be like that. Just want to see you, let you see my avatar. Let's play Ragdoll engine. Okay, Ragdoll engine. Here is. Here I am. We want tickets back. Please. Why you say B? Is that right? Okay. Whoa, whoa. Am I floating? Okay. Let's go to the air balloon to see if that's up. What? How'd that guy get so big? still in first person. What is this? Oh, coming. Okay, we're going out of first person. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Bye. I'm not pressing doll because I remember. I mean, I never did a video on this, but friending obby, by the way. I don't know why I said that, but okay. We're going up high. Can't really see the ground. I will try to make my own obby tomorrow. I try. Okay. This goes so high. How high can this go? Oh, great. No. Ah, great. Help. I'm stuck. Once I got delivered by the bombs, okay, just do doll real quick. We're gonna hit the ground so hard. Oh. Are you ready? That happened. Okay, please subscribe to my cousin's channel, Tech CJ. Don't know if it's going to be in the link down below because I don't know how to do that just yet. Ow. Okay. Let's go in this cannon. Try to at least. Come on, why is this not working? How did that girl get so big? Oh, ow. Oh, you just split my body in half. Just split my body in half. Did you see that? Okay, I think we'll end this for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!